First of all, congratulations to the whole team, the central team, the SAP team, and of course the individual teams in steel. USBS, Mobati has been working on it. I don't know what's the progress in Uganda and Tanzania, but this is a group-wide project where all people involved in the group and many at the operational level have been working for the last 2.5 years or so since the mango tree was planted. I think the story needs so that everyone lives happily ever after.
Amen.
And of course, I will not tell you what my happiness is. It was supposed to happen 10 years ago, but it did not. However, I think this time round, there is a lot of enthusiasm, work, and interest at the grassroots levels. And ultimately, that will take us to the successful end of the story. I think at every operation, whether it's SBS or InSteel as of today and thereafter, whenever you go for the launch, 70% of the work is done. The balance 30% depends on each and every individual who will be working with this system. And even more importantly, how that individual will assist his colleagues where they may have difficulties, or where the individual has difficulty, how he will immediately call the team. Because at the end of the day, one mishap, someone not performing correctly on the system will let us complete that 30% so that we have a system which from January, every individual can go home early by 1 hour. Those who are in administration, accounts and so on. Otherwise, today you're still trying to complete today's work. The ERP systems in place, it will be real time, not an hour or two, and then we get stuck in traffic. Time that you get stuck in traffic, because you know the information is accurate, correct, and received on a timely basis, will be available for you to spend that extra time saved to analyze. These few months, let us swim in the correct manner, the correct strokes. And every individual, I implore, please help your colleagues and please shout if you need help. Because together, umoja, we will succeed. The end of the story, the proof of the pudding, is end of the month, a few seconds after midnight, I will get coming through with flash reports, and in a day the accounts coming through. Now, I can only trust what comes through if I can trust and depend on all of you to do it right. That is, ladies and gentlemen, let us do it right the first time. If it takes a little longer today to get the system going, let's spend that time. But in 6 months' time, it will become second nature to us, like brushing our teeth and just putting in the data and, of course, analyzing very correctly. So, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations getting this far. And I think the biggest congratulations will be when we have, if COVID allows, the InSteel year-end party, and someone from the department will tell us until 20th of December this is what we sold and this is what the P&L is for 20 days, because this system will give you a daily P&L. What is very important, and I'm not sure if it is already configured, how much went out, what is there, and does it tally? So if you succeed in that, you will also have peace of mind to the integrity of the information that we are churning out daily, weekly, and monthly. The last thing, which is not a bad thing, internal audit will have fewer queries, so our internal audit meetings will get shorter. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.